Morning greetings. How did you sleep? Ina kwana? Lafiya, fine. Did you sleep well? Kwan lafiya? Lafiya, fine. Midday and afternoon greetings. How's your day? Ina wuni? Lafiya, fine. Greetings for special situations. Greetings at your work. Sannu da aiki. Yawwa, sannu. Greetings at your coming. Sannu da zuwa. Yawwa, sannu. Greetings on entering a home. Salamu alaikum. Yawwa, alaikum salam. Parting greetings. See you later. Sai anjima. Yawwa, mu jima da yawa. See you tomorrow. Sai gobe. Yawwa, sai gobe. See you sometime soon. Sai wani lokaci. Yawwa, sai wani lokaci. Until morning. Sai da safe. Yawwa, sai da safe. Until evening. Sai da yamma. Yawwa, sai da yamma. See you someday. Sai wata rana. Yawwa, sai wata rana. A common alternative reply to any of these greetings is to Allah ya kai mu. May God bring it about. Okay, may God take us to that time. To which one responds in turn, may it be so.